Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do these beautiful proposal slash jewelry slash candy boxes. They're very glam and very elegant, and I think anybody would love to have these little boxes, especially guys. If you're going to propose, you put your little ring in there, and then you open it up, and then after that, after it's over, she still has something for that day other than the ring as well. So for this DIY, you're going to need a box from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some automotive cloth or some type of cloth to put on the inside of your box. You're going to need a cabinet knob, crystal cabinet knob. You'll need some brooches. I'm using Totally Dazzled brooches. You're going to need some bling wrap as well as Totally Dazzled that I'm using. You're going to need some 3-inch mirrors and some 2-inch mirrors. And all those is optional, guys. You can design this however you want. You can also do what I'm going to start doing, which is take this this tray from the Dollar Tree, trace your box around it, and then cut it out and use it as your mirrors. But I realized that for me, I didn't like it. It's very, you'll be able to see it. It looks just like a mirror, so you don't have to go out. You can cut yourself 3 inches and 2 inches of these mirrors and of this tray, and it would do just the same exact job as having the actual 3-inch or 2 inches mirrors. So I'm going to start off by cutting this out, and I think for me, I'm not a straight cutter. So when I cut, even though I traced it just did not come out straight. And the more I cut, the more lopsided it got. So I was like, I'm just going to leave it alone because I can't get it the way I need to, and just go ahead and use the 3-inch mirrors. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the 3-inch mirrors, but as you saw, the piece that I had cut out of the tray, you can use that for your mirrors. So first you're going to measure your mirror. You're going to put your mirror on your box, and then you're going to put the top on your box, and then you're going to measure your bling wrap out, because you don't want to take your bling wrap all the way to the top of the box, because you will not be able to close it if you do that. So to alleviate that from happening, you're going to put your top on it, so your top can show you how far to take up your bling wrap. And once you do that, you're going to cut a strand of 4 out. Well, that's the strand of 2 that's going to go down to the bottom, and then that's the strand of 4 that you're going to put on the sides of the box. So here I am. I'm just going to take the bling wrap along with the hot glue gun, and I'm going to half it. I'm going to put half of it on one side of the corner of the box and half on the other side, and I'm going to go around the entire box, and I'm going to do that, keeping in mind that to make sure I check to make sure that the box will still be able to close when I put the top on it. Guys, I am so excited to announce that our Design on a Dollar apparel is available now. You should be able to see it underneath this video, and if not, I will leave a link to our website down in the description box, and go head over and look at the designs. Tell me what you think, and I look forward to each and every one of you getting your apparel, so that you can start sending me pictures on my Instagram of you guys in your apparel. I would love for that to transpire. And now, as you can see, I'm taking the 2 strips and I'm putting it down at the bottom, and I'm going to do that all around as well. And then I'm going to place the mirror on top of in the section, and the mirror is going to sit on top of the bling wrap, so you don't have to put E6000 and stuff all over the middle of the box. I put some on some of the sides, but you don't have to, because the bottom of the box isn't touching the mirror isn't touching the box itself. It's sitting on top of the bling wrap. And here I am just going to put some E6000 so it can stick fast. And I'm going to do this all the way around, guys. And now I'm going around the top of the box with the bling wrap, and I'm covering the sides of the box up. So guys, if you're interested in doing a design for our channel together, so I can put on apparel, just let me know. I would love for us to do a design together and put that one out as well. I just want to see what you guys want to come up with, and so we can go from there, because I would love to see us design something together, and then once again as well put it on Instagram so we can see each other wearing the apparel. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the top of the box as I did to the sides. I'm going to measure out the bling wrap, and I'm going to put it around the edges of the box so that the so that the mirror can sit on top of the bling wrap. Guys, don't forget to check out the supply list for this Saturday's Craft With Me live. It is out as well. I just loaded that today, so it should be the video right before this one. And after I finish doing this to the top of the box, I'm going to go back around with the 2-inch mirrors, and I'm going to put the 2-inch mirrors on the diagonal of the 3-inch mirrors. And then I'm going to place brooches on top of the 3-inch, on top of the 2-inch mirrors, and I'm going to put the crystal knob on the top of the 2-inch mirror on the top of the box, on the lid itself. So guys, I've already told you the remaining steps of the box. So guys, if you like this DIY, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And guys, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. So guys, go ahead and just finish watching the finishing of the box. And as you're going to see, I'm going to take some fabric and I'm going to line the inside of the box to make it more luxurious and glamorous, and just all around. It's going to take it up a notch with that fabric being inside of the box. So I will stay up here with you guys until we get to the fabric part, because I want to make sure that I'm not missing anything to tell you. And guys, as you can see with the Totally Dazzled brooches, I'm taking the back of them off, the pin parts, and the part that is like a button. That one was for like a button, and I just take them off so they can sit flat on the mirror. And I only put the E6000 and the hot glue on the parts of the brooch that is actually touching the mirror, so you don't have to waste the your glue and stuff. And here we go, guys. Here I am putting the fabric in here. It's no method or anything. I just cut it and then I just started gluing it. So guys, I'm gonna let you finish watching this, and I hope you like the way it is staged. And I see you guys on Saturday. Bye bye.